Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. My name is Elisa and we are going to continue to learn the key sounds of the letters of the alphabet. In today's lesson, we will learn the sounds of the letters for P, Q, and R. Let's get started with the letter P. P is a consonant. The sound of the letter P is puff, puff. The lips come together and air comes through the lips to make the sound. There is no vibration in your throat. Therefore, it is an unvoiced sound. Unvoiced. P is for plant. Plant. P. Pepper. Pepper. P. Prince. Prince. P. Point. Point. Pam planted purple peppers and peas. Pam planted purple peppers and peas. Sometimes the P is silent, and that happens in words that begin with PSY. For example, psychic or psychiatry or psychiatric.
The psychiatrist was psyched to psychoanalyze. The psychiatrist was psyched to psychoanalyze.
Sometimes the P sounds like an F. When the P comes before an H, the pronunciation is F. For example, phone, phone, or dolphin, dolphin, nephew, nephew. Phyllis phoned her physician. Phyllis phoned her physician. Let's move on to the letter Q. Q is a consonant. And the interesting thing about Q is it's almost always connected with U. So 99% of the time, it's QU. And QU sounds like qua, qua. Queen, queen. Quote, quote. The queen quietly quit quoting quacks. The queen quietly quit quoting quacks. Let's move on to the letter R. R is a consonant. And the sound of the letter R is er. The sound is voiced. Your vocal cords vibrate, and the sound is created in the back of your throat with your tongue curled backward. So it's er. Got it? Rock, rock. Run, run. Ribbon, ribbon. Rachel rarely runs in races. Rachel rarely runs in races. And that's all for today's lesson. We learned the key sounds for the letters P, Q, and R. Next time, we'll learn the key sounds for the letters S, T, and U. So come on back, but in the meantime, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.